Hello everyone and welcome to our show Pathways of Discovery. Today's episode is on cellulase treatments for cotton fabrics and fibers. To discuss this, I have three amazing guests on my show, Aluya, Shani, and expert Lola Sodigo. So let's dive in. Hi Aluya, I'm glad to have you. Can you tell me what cotton and fibers are?
Sure, let's start with cotton. Cotton is a natural fiber that comes from the cotton plant. It is mainly used in making fabrics like t-shirt and bed sheets. The fibers of cotton are tiny, thread-like structures that are twisted together to make fabric.
That's why every day I get to enjoy my cotton shirt. It's so smooth.
Well, not always. Cotton can sometimes feel rough, and that's where we might need to soften it to improve its comfort. And that's where cellulose treatment comes in.
Wait, what's this cellulase thing? Is it some kind of magic?
Not magic, but almost. Cellulase is an enzyme that breaks down cellulose, which is a natural material found in cotton. It works by gently breaking down the outer layer of cotton fibers without damaging the fabric itself.
I say, but how exactly does this treatment work? Is it like some sort of complicated process?
No, it's not rocket science. The most common method is soaking the cotton fabric in a solution that contains cellulose enzymes. The fabric is then treated at a specific temperature for a certain amount of time. After that, it is washed to remove any leftover enzymes. This makes the cotton feel much smoother and more comfortable to wear.
Sounds like a chill process, but how long does this treatment take? Does it need any preparation for the fabric first?
Well, the treatment typically takes anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on the fabric and how soft we want it to be. Before applying cellulase, we actually have to wash the cotton fabric, remove the dirt, oil, and chemicals that can block the enzyme from working its magic.
So, does cellulase treatment work only on wool cotton fabrics, or is it only used for certain types?
Great question. Cellulase can be used on almost all types of cotton fabrics, but it works especially well on fabrics that need to be softened, like denim or towels. It works best on cotton that's loosely woven because the enzyme can penetrate the fibers more easily.
Wow, so it's pretty versatile. Thanks for breaking that down, Eluya. This has been both informative and fun.
Thank you.
Now, let's dive into the second part. Hi, Shannon. Can you tell us about the benefits of cellulose treatment on cotton?
Sure. First, cellulose makes cotton super soft, no more stiff, scratchy shirts. It also makes fabric more absorbent, which is why towels feel extra fluffy. Plus, it reduces flossiness, so your cotton fabrics look cleaner and sharper.
Sounds great, but are there any downsides to it?
Yeah, if you overdo it, cellulose can make the fabric a little weaker, so it might wear out faster. And if the process isn't done just right, some parts of the fabric must stay rough while others are smooth.
Interesting. So, do we say cellulose treatment in industry?
Cellulose is used in textiles for fabric softening, in food for juice extraction, in biofuels for breaking cellulose into sugars, and in animal feed for digestibility. It is also used in making scaffolds and wound dressing in clinical application.
Wow, cellulose sounds like a secret weapon for everything. Is it also good for the environment?
Definitely, it's eco-friendly because it's a natural enzyme, so it doesn't harm the environment like some other treatments. Plus, it uses less water and energy.
Thanks, Shannon. You made cellulose treatment sound both awesome and sustainable. Now we have some expert opinion from Nola Sodipo, who is a PhD researcher in University of Manchester. Can you please tell me what is the future of this research? Is there anything new will be coming in future, or it will be end up in like 5 to 10 years?
So I think cellulase treatments or enzyme treatments in the textile industry in general, that is from the technical side to every single application of textiles in general, is growing, and that's because of the growing need for more sustainable and environmentally friendly processes. So in the next 5 to 10 years, I can see that more people looking into how to use the different enzymes that we can extract to process things, for chemical reactions, biochemical reactions. So I see in 5-10 years there'll be a bigger push into that research and also into using the research in industries. So that from apparel to the medical industries, looking at either biodegradability of like masks, non-woven masks, to other things. So I see the industry and the research growing.
Can we have some expert advice from you?
So my field is textile biotechnology, and so it looks into material science and biotechnology aspects. So for my advice, if you're looking into getting into the field, you have to look at like some of the biotechnology bits, which is looking at biology and how different things in nature can be utilized for enhancements or changing things in material science. So that is technically called biomaterials. So if you search that up on the internet, you can probably look at how biology and material science intersect, and you can probably find lots of interesting research happening.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alula, Shenlin, and Lola, for sharing your insights on cellulase treatment and how it impacts cotton fabrics. We hope everyone watching now has a better understanding of what cellulase treatment is, how it works, and why it's so important in making cotton fabric more comfortable and useful. Thanks for watching.